In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add baggage on Agoda quickly and without any hassle. This is useful if you've already booked your flight or you're booking a new one and need extra luggage. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Agoda website, or open the Agoda app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, log into your Agoda account using your email and password or any sign-in method you've set earlier. Logging in lets you see your bookings and make changes easily. If you haven't booked a flight yet, search for your flight by entering your departure city, destination, and travel dates. Choose the flight that matches your schedule and click on the book option to continue. After this, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Here you can review all your booking details such as your flight time and passenger information. This is also the place where you can add baggage. Look for the baggage or add-ons section on the checkout page. You will see different baggage options with their prices listed. Select the baggage allowance that matches how much luggage you plan to bring. Follow the on-screen instructions to add it to your booking. Next, choose your payment method. Agoda usually supports several options such as cards, digital wallets, or monthly payment services depending on your region. Select the payment option that works best for you and continue through the payment process. Before finalizing, double-check everything: your flight details, baggage selection, and payment information. Once everything looks correct, confirm your booking. Your added baggage will now be included in your reservation. And that's it. You've successfully added baggage to your Agoda booking. Make sure to keep your confirmation email or screenshot your booking details so you can easily access them later. Thanks for watching and safe travels.